Welcome to Review the Best by your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical water filter, the perfect solution for indoor organization. There are many products available to choose from water filter, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best water filters from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Bluevua Countertop Reverse Osmosis System 6-stage Purification with UV and Remineralization Water Filter. Looking for the best countertop water filter in 2025? Discover the Bluevua Countertop Reverse Osmosis System, a powerful 6-stage water purification unit with UV sterilization and a remineralization filter for enhanced taste and health. This compact plug-and-play system requires no installation and comes with a premium borosilicate glass carafe to avoid secondary contamination. Its advanced RO membrane removes TDS, chlorine, fluoride, lead, and more, while restoring essential minerals. With a built-in TDS meter, filter life monitor, and an energy-saving standby mode, it's efficient, eco-friendly, and easy to maintain. The system also features a water-saving 2-proportion 1 pure-to-drain ratio, making it one of the most efficient in its class. Perfect for home or office use, this Bluevua RO system ensures clean, mineral-rich hydration without the waste of bottled water. With a 1-year warranty and WQA or SGS certifications, it's your smart solution for healthier, sustainable living. Don't miss out. Watch now to see why this is the best water filter for your needs. Number 2. Waterdrop G3P800 Reverse Osmosis System. Tankless Undersink RO Water Filter System, LED Purifier, Smart Faucet. Looking for the best undersink water filter? Meet the Waterdrop G3P800 Reverse Osmosis System, a sleek, tankless RO unit that delivers high-capacity purification with smart features. Certified by NSF or ANSI 42, 53, 58, and 372, this system uses advanced 10-stage filtration to remove TDS, PFAS, fluoride, heavy metals, and more, providing clean, great-tasting water right from your tap. With an impressive 800 GPD capacity and an efficient 3-proportion 1 pure-to-drain ratio, it's ideal for large households. The system includes a smart LED faucet that displays TDS levels and water quality in real time. Its tankless design not only saves space, but ensures fresh, on-demand water without stagnation. The Waterdrop G3P800 filters 1 cup of water in just 5 seconds, and its LED faucet has a lifespan of up to 50 years. Designed for style, performance, and sustainability, this is one of the best water filters to install under your sink in 2025. Watch the video to see why it stands out. Number 3. ProOne Big Plus Gravity Water Filter System, high-capacity 3-gallon polished stainless steel NSF certified water filter. Looking for the best gravity water filter for home, travel, or emergencies? The ProOne Big Plus Gravity Water Filter System is a high-capacity 3-gallon stainless steel filtration unit built for durability, convenience, and clean, great-tasting water. Made from polished, corrosion-resistant stainless steel, this countertop or RV-friendly filter removes contaminants and microplastics while retaining essential minerals like calcium. NSF or ANSI 42 certified and tested to other NSF standards. It features ProOne's long-lasting G2 filters, which last up to 9 months and are infused with silver to help prevent bacterial growth. With no electricity required, it's ideal for power outages, camping trips, or everyday hydration. The sleek design includes a stainless steel spigot and stand, making it a stylish yet functional addition to any space. Whether you're preparing for emergencies or just want a sustainable way to enjoy pure water daily, the ProOne Big Plus delivers safe, healthy hydration when and where you need it. Watch now to see why it's the best water filter for reliability and peace of mind. Number 4. Purewell 2.25G Gravity Water Filter System with Water Level Window. 3. Stage Ultra-Filtration Stainless Steel Countertop System. Looking for the best gravity water filter for everyday use or off-grid living? The Purewell 2.25G gravity water filter system delivers powerful 3-stage ultrafiltration using advanced composite filter technology. Its stainless steel design features a convenient water level window, so you'll always know when it's time to refill. With a precision 0.01 filter pore size, much smaller than most competitors, it removes 99.99% of contaminants, including chlorine, rust, sediment, organic matter, and heavy metals, while maintaining a strong 4G pH flow rate. Powered solely by gravity, this energy-efficient system requires no electricity, making it perfect for homes, camping, or emergency preparedness. The durable filters provide up to 6,000 gallons of clean water, with each filter lasting up to 3,000 gallons. Sleek, compact, and built for convenience, this countertop filtration system includes everything you need: upper and lower chambers, spigot, filters, and stand. Watch now to see why the Purewell is one of the best water filters for clean, safe hydration anywhere. Number 5. Waterdrop X12 alkaline mineral pH plus reverse osmosis system filter RO water filter 11-stage filtration tankless. Looking for the best tankless reverse osmosis system with powerful filtration and added health benefits? The Waterdrop X12 alkaline mineral pH plus RO system delivers an impressive 1200 GPD flow and features an advanced 11-stage filtration process. Certified by IAPMO R&T and tested by SGS, it effectively reduces TDS, PFOS, PFOA, fluoride, arsenic, chlorine, lead, and more. Unlike standard RO systems, the X12 infuses your water with essential alkaline minerals like calcium and magnesium, balancing pH to 7.5 plus-minus for healthier hydration and better taste. Designed for modern kitchens, it includes a smart digital faucet with TDS monitoring, filter life display, and adjustable water output. Its tankless, space-saving design is easy to install and perfect for any home. With a 3-proportion 1 pure-to-drain ratio and long-lasting filters, it's also an eco-conscious choice. Watch now to see why the Waterdrop X12 is the best alkaline RO water filter for clean, healthy, and sustainable drinking water. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.